Summer, summer, summer. I don't know why this season feels endless in my country. I mean, from last few years ऐसा लगता है कि सारा साल ही गर्मियाँ रहती हैं. Well, we are powerless in this situation, so let's dive straight into today's topic. You might guess it from the thumbnail. Today we're gonna search some beauty essentials to glow up this summer. I know it's all about hydration, mindset, and self love. But in this video, we are focusing on skincare and beauty products that actually help you shine through the heat. So, I made a list. Let's see. Number one, I add the sunscreen, which is a must, the toner, and of course, the tint and blushes. Number 4, I specifically chose peptide glaze, which are a trend in this era, and of course the night cream. So I chose the specific brand for this, which is the Skin Deep. It is a Pakistani brand, and hopefully we will find all these products which are in our list in this brand. I will tell you later why I chose this, but let's see their products right now. These are their lip glaze. I mean, look at the packaging. It's so aesthetic and I say super cool. Okay, let's see some other things as well from their page. And of course, it's let me show you their dream cream, which is in my wish list long time ago. It's a skin reviver, and look at it, super chic. And of course we will try to find out other things like blush. Okay, we will try their duo, which is their lip glaze and blush. Of course we will try it. They are offering very I can say that I like all the shades of blush, and okay, we will see. And what would be the traffic in my case if it is not this? Okay, let's go straight to their website without wasting a single sec. I mean, look at this. Look at the packaging. I mean, wow. Gray suits well. Okay, let's go to their website, open the link, and we will try to find out all the products which I made a list. Of course, let's see their what they are offering. You can see from the screen all the things which they have or which we might find in their brand. So let's see. Sunscreen. They are offering these two sunscreens. Actually, I'm not gonna buy it right now because I am already using one sunscreen and I am against over consuming. So we will buy it later. Let's see the other products which are necessary right now. Lips and cheeks. These are their blush, and they also made a kit. But I think we will buy the duo from their value kit. So okay, let's open their value kits. Let me see. Yes, these are their value kits. You can see they are offering some duo, but we will specifically are in search of, yes, here we got it, lip glaze plus velvet flush dew. Am I right? Yeah, yes. Okay, they are offering all the shades they have. We will select the two of them. So I specifically choose deep berry plus French raspberry, and I also make another selection of the set, rosewood or flamingo pink. I think I chose the teddy kiss and toasted brown. Okay, we have added this in our basket. Let's search the other products. I think from this we're gonna go and okay, we are in search of, yes, here it is, the night cream. Let's see. Okay, let's see their night cream, what they are telling us about this cream, that how it will be beneficial in our skincare. Okay, let's see how it works. They are saying that it has smooth texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I mean, wow, it is actually a anti-aging night cream, and it increasing the production of collagen and of course brighten the dull skin. Hopefully, I hope so that it all the things works which they are telling or which they are showing. Okay, let's find out our last product from this brand, which I chose their day cream, of course, the skin reviver. Here it is. Okay, I am going to tell you something that I am not recommending this brand. I myself going to first time use their products. So let's select 13 ml, because first I will use this cream and then I will observe its result on me. Then I can say anything, or I will order their other quantity. I am telling you that I am not recommending this brand right now. This is the very first time I'm going to order these products, and then I will use it, and then I can give you my honest reviews about it. So I added all the things which we selected in my basket. You can see our Bordeaux and of course the cream. So okay, done with placing the order, and now we're gonna wait for their arrival. Hopefully they will arrive within few days. Okay, it's time for a Kit Kat break. Kit Kat break banta hai. So I got a pizza to eat, and it was a very bad decision of mine. हमने 9 बजे ये खाया and it hit me so hard. I was dying. So finally my parcel is here. So let's unbox this beauty box. I'm not gonna do this because I don't know why I don't like this trend at all. Okay, let's see. Here it is, a thank you note. Wow, this is so cute. Look at it. I think they find difficult to write my name. Okay, let's open our first product, which is the day cream. I'm not gonna lie, but I was shook how tiny it is. Maybe I am the one who is unaware that 13 liter would be like this. But let's not judge the glow, okay? We will give it a free and fair try, okay? How cute is it? Okay, on to the night cream. I am actually already manifesting that it becomes I guess it's become an iconic part in my night care routine. Hope so. Look at it. Texture, vibes, glow. Let's see if it passes the test or not. Okay, let's move towards blushes. Let me tell you why this brand caught my eye. It was the very first reason that their milky toner. I used them first time a few months back and it was a chef's kiss. My skin loved it. So I decided to explore more. That's why I ordered the more products from them. And not gonna lie, but if we talk about aesthetics, it totally gives me road vibes. I mean, not the dupe, but actually it is so familiar with their products that I can say that it feels like I have ordered some products from Road brand. Those who don't know that what Road is actually a makeup and skincare brand of Hailey Bieber, and you can see the familiarity between their blushes as well. I show you how that look at it. It looks somehow so familiar with it. Um, and those who don't know about this brand, let me tell you, it's brand of Hailey Bieber, which gives a dewy summer look only using two products, which are their tint and peptide. You can see I am swatching this and look at the shade. I totally love it. And I adore these blushes because they are so handy and pocket friendly that it's adorable. Look at their peptide. It is the one I ordered and it is the shade, I can say, yeah, Teddy Kiss. So summery. I mean, I love it. Look how it looks like rolled peptides. Let's see how it works and what shade it's gonna giving us. This peptide even look one of the peptide from Rode. Lovely. This is the second glaze we ordered from Skin Deep, which is of deep berry. So this is all I got from this brand. So cute, aesthetic, and I love everything. Hopefully that it prove very amazing as well, especially their creams. Let's see how Hailey uh, create a glowy, summery, magical look by using only her blushes and peptide glaze. Hope you like it. Let's see how she creates. She uses her blush on the lips and then of course the peptide glaze. Looks so yummy. Okay guys, that's all for today. If you like it and enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe.